All right, so let's stare at part C. We have sine x dx divided by 7 plus cosine squared x. So this looks like an integral where the bottom of the rational function is the square of radical 7 plus the square of cosine x. So let's just rewrite this as sine x divided by radical 7 squared plus cosine x squared dx. So it's sum of the squares. So going back to our table of integrals involving inverse trig functions, the only formula that comes with the sum of the squares in the bottom is the second one. So that is written as 1 over a arctan u over a plus c. So the question is like, who is a? What to call a u? So going back to this problem here that I have well, a right here. That means I should probably explore calling u to be cosine x. But remember, be careful when you have a u substitution. The resulting integral after the u substitution should be strictly u dependent. So let's check. U equals cosine x takes you to du equals negative sine x dx. Okay. Well, the good news is that I do have sine x dx here to replace by minus du, because du equals negative sine x dx, so just sine x dx is negative du. And the bottom is a perfect sum of the squares, right? So it's like a squared plus u squared for a being radical 7 and u being cosine x, okay? So then what I'm going to do next is to get back to the formula and then just copy what the formula has to say, which is, let's see, 1 over a arctan u over a. So I'm going to go ahead and write this as minus 1 over a arc tan u over a plus c. And the reason why we have a minus sign here is just because of this minus sign here. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and then finish this. Negative 1 over radical 7 arc tan, and u equals cosine x. Cosine x divided by radical 7. Okay. Let's just put this carefully in parentheses, same as this one, so that cosine x over radical 7 is the argument of arctan plus c. Okay. So in this exercise, we practiced almost all three kinds of integrals involving inverse trig functions. So we had arcsine, arctan, and arcsecant, and we had one example for each. So that is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.